To the west of the Côte d'Azur is a region whose very name conjures images to delight the senses. Provence, where the rich earth and burnished sunshine work in harmony to produce a dazzling harvest. At the market in Aix, the Provençal capital, the abundance and variety of nature's riches are typical of the region. In Provence, even the air smells deliciously sweet, for this is the center of the French perfume industry. The gentle climate and cradle of protective mountains make the region ideal for flower production almost all year round.